Hello everyone, welcome back to WebToTech channel, and in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to voice comment on Facebook. So now without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your mobile device. Now once you open Facebook, make sure that you are logged on to your profile. Now select any photo or post where you want to comment, and you can see the option of comment below the photo. Just tap on that option of comment. Now once you do that, you'll come across the comment section and your comment box will appear. Now let me tell you one thing, that there's no feature on Facebook where you can record your voice and post it as a comment. However, you can use the voice to text feature in order to dictate your comment so that your comment will automatically be typed on the comment section once you speak through your microphone. So in order to do that, you can see the option of microphone just at the bottom right corner, just below my keyboard. So if you tap on that option of microphone, your comment will automatically be converted to text after what you speak on the microphone. So you can see that Facebook is converting my audio to written text on the comment box given. And you can press the button of send at the right hand corner and post your comment to each and every post that you wish to. So by following these easy steps, you can post your voice comment on Facebook. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.